In this video, I will quickly show you how to create an account on Cash App using your phone. First, download the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play. After installing the app, open it and tap Sign Up to start the registration process. Next, enter your phone number or email to create your account. Then you will receive a verification code to confirm your information. After that, enter your name and create a cash tag, which is your username for sending and receiving money. Now add a debit card or bank account to enable payments, review your information, and complete the registration. Once the account is created, you will be able to send money, receive payments, and use other features of the app. Creating a Cash App account is quick and simple. And that's it. Now you know how to create an account on Cash App easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.